gorgeous. Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and welcome to my Fluid Art Pouring channel. Today is the last of a series I've been doing on flowers, and of course, as I've talked about in my past videos, but maybe you haven't seen those yet, but they're inspired by the flowers in my garden this summer. And so today's last one is an orange tiger lily, and so I hope you enjoy it. Well, let's get you down the canvas and let me show you how I did this one. And if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. All right, thanks a lot. Have a great day. Bye for now. Bye. Okay, so the last one of my flower series, and I've got my pillow already here, already on there, and we're gonna do, let's see, light pink, nope, hold on, yellow, coral, dark pink. Okay, so, but we gotta do our greens first. Almost forgot them. Well, that popped up some really cool cells right there. I'll have to watch the video and see how I did that. Okay, so we're gonna go, how do we want to do this? Yellow, coral, pink. All right, yellow. Coral. Which is kind of more like a scarlet red. Pink. Let's go back to a little bit of yellow. A little bit of pink. And then we are going to go ahead and bring some white in. And this coral is going to go all the way across. There. Okay. Well, I think I'm going to put a little bit of gold. I think this would be a pretty one to do gold in. All right, well, let's see what happens. Oh, gorgeous. No. Well, I kind of like it. What do you think? I like it. Let's torch it. Ah, that one popped up some good cells. Okay, I think I'm done with my, I think I'm gonna blow that out a little bit more. It's got cool cells, but that's not what I was looking for. Okay, the flower ones are done, and I'm very happy with them. I'm glad I went to doing mostly using the swipe method, the swipe tool here, instead of blowing it out. It seemed like the blower wasn't working as well for what I was trying to get. I was trying to get more of the pointed flowers. So anyway, all right, well, thanks for joining me, and we will show you the end results in a little bit. Bye. Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.